The FBI failed to report some child sexual abuse allegations to law enforcement or social service agencies. That's according to a new Watchdog report just released by the Justice Department. The National Desk, Jeff Harris, joining us. And Jeff, we know that you spoke with experts earlier today. Clearly, these are serious claims.
Yeah, in this report, Dee Dee, the Inspector General found serious problems that could result in child sexual abuse allegations falling through the cracks, including 42 cases now flagged because there was no evidence that they were being investigated.
Ashley Garrett is the Vice President of Prevention at the Monique Burr Foundation for Children, an organization working to educate and protect children from child victimization.
From all forms of child abuse, bullying, cyberbullying, exploitation.
Reading through the report released by the Justice Department today, Garrett says she wishes she was surprised by the findings.
We're so far from where our children deserve for us to be in building safe communities.
The report looked at over 300 cases between 2021 and 2023, with the Inspector General finding no evidence that the FBI followed rules to report allegations to local law enforcement in about half of those cases.
76 million children are in the U.S. 46 million of them will be victimized in some way by the time they're 18.
Madeline Somerville, an attorney with 10 years of experience working in the child welfare field, tells us this report is very disappointing.
We've identified problems just like they identified in this report for so long, and they're consistently the same issues regardless of the agency that it's coming from.
Which is why she believes moving forward, there needs to be a sense of urgency when reports come in and more communication between the different agencies.
As soon as it falls through the cracks on one of them, if there's four that are supposed to be involved, the ball's dropped.
Now, Somerville does note that while the report was disappointing, it was encouraging to see that almost every interview with a child was done by a qualified employee, which she says isn't always the case. Reporting for the National Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.